My suggestion to anyone would be right now is that if you have an option of getting into the condo space versus getting into a low rise property, like a low density, could be a detached, a semi-detached, or a townhouse, even if it's a condo townhouse, I would encourage to kind of go down that route, because we know there's going to be a ton of condo buildings that are going to come up in the future, but just the amount of land that we have is becoming very restricted. So I've given you guys two options over here, basically, of saying like, hey, maybe you go into pre-construction route or you try to buy something resale. Me personally, I would stay away from like investing in the stock markets and things like that, because I don't really understand it that well. In fact, I've lost a little bit of money there already, and that was enough for me not to participate anymore. I just feel like real estate is a safe bet over the long run. Toronto Real Estate Board has over 100 years worth of history in almost any 10-year segment that you take out of there. Real estate prices have doubled. We've gone through world wars, we've gone through other civil wars, we've gone through pandemics, we've gone through a lot of stuff, but whenever you look at that and any 10-year segment, we've actually seen the prices double. With the immigration and everything else that we're having over here and the affordability issues that we already have, I don't think it's going to get any better. So that's why when I think about investing, the first spot I want to put my money is into real estate.